A sudden keggy, a spark in the dark. You were the seagull that woke up my heart. A fragile glass castle built on the sand. We painted forever, just holding your hand. The wine was still, the ocean was glass, but seasons of Loloma are too sweet to last. Oh, the bula fly goes on, though the aloe soul is torn. We bloom like the lotus right out of the mud, a beautiful ruin, the fire and the blood. The seagull will set, the seagull will rise, wipe the love drowning from your eyes. Yeah, look, fell in quick, a heavy vital in the deep. Promises made that you never could keep. Said it was Dinah, true. Said it was fate. Now I'm just staring alone at the gate. Heart breaks, a storm and echoing thunder, tearing the roots of my spirit asunder. But I rise from the ash, no time to be hollow. I'm stepping right into a brighter Mataka tomorrow. Gotta keep moving, the rhythm is beating. The pain in my chest is already retreating. Most goodbye to the shadow, the night is withdrawn. The heartbeat continues. Bula goes on. Bula goes on. Are you still running on island time? Working past the sunset and missing your rest. When your nets are finally full and the journey is done, you need to stop braving the rough waves alone. Piece of my pride grew tall like the highest coconut tree. I didn't shelter you when the strong winds came. Acting tough is just a shell we leave on the shore. My deepest fear is that my heart isn't your home anymore. Can you still lean on my shoulder? Share a smile and stay a while. Let me sing for you, be a fool for you, and watch the tides till we grow. How have you been? I really need to know. Don't let the waves wash away the memories we hold. I just need you sitting on the mat, teasing and laughing with me. Let a calm sea replace the storm I used to be. I just wanna hear you firmly say your Loloma is true. It hurts, we can't sail back to the moment I had you. How have you been? The heavens know this heavy chest is sinking. Regret burns inside like the midday sun. Just one more warm embrace would heal my soul. I'd cross any reef to make you whole. Can you still lean on my shoulder? Share a smile and stay a while. Let me sing for you, be a fool for you, and watch the tides till we grow. Don't use your leaving to teach me my greatest treasure was lost to the sea. Don't just say you once loved me in the days before. Let us sail back to that second on the shore. How have you been? How have you been? Can you still lean on my shoulder? Share a smile and stay a while. Let me sing for you, be a fool for you, and watch the tides till we go. How have you been? How have you been? I really need to know. How have you been? Don't let the ocean carry my love where I can't go. I just need you sitting on the mat, teasing and laughing with me. Don't use your leaving to teach me my greatest treasure was lost to the sea. Don't just say you once loved me in the days before. Let us sail back to that second on the shore. How have you been? How have you been? Listen to the rhythm of the shifting tide. Hear the island weeping tonight. The sun is sinking down below the sea, where the coconut trees used to hide you and me. We built a little veil upon the sand. I used to feel the whole world when I held your hand, but now the island breeze is blowing cold. A beautiful story that suddenly got old. I see your footprints washing in the foam right here on the island, but I feel so far from home. And I just want to turn it off, this heavy aching heart. Turn it off, tell me how we drifted apart. We're standing on the same beach, under the same star. We are so close, yet so far. Turn it off and let the ocean wash the tears away. I hear the reggae bass line by the fire tonight. People swaying in the golden flickering light. I whisper boola to the shadows walking by, but there's a heavy rain cloud resting in my eye. You're right across the bay, I see your lantern glow. It breaks my spirit watching how your shadows flow. I reach my hands out into the empty night, trying to catch a feeling that took flight. And I just wanna turn it off, this heavy aching heart. Turn it off, tell me how we drifted apart. We're standing on the same beach, under the same star. We are so close, yet so far. Turn it off and let the ocean wash the tears away. Vinaka for the days when the sky was clear and blue. Vinaka for the magic that I found in you. Malo money, it was real, but the tide goes out, leaving nothing but the coral and the quiet doubt. I can almost hear you breathing in the dark. So close yet so far. there. Hear the island legend. I recall the moonlit tide. You refused to walk by my side. My soul crashed like a wave, lost inside an ocean cave. Smiles and tears bring the rain, sailed away, leaving the pain. Hid within the palm tree shade, with soft winds I was betrayed. An ancient nightmare we made. Baby, why'd you hurt me so long? Hurt me so long. The elders say I did no wrong. Why'd you hurt me so long? Please let me know. Sorrow is the current you show. Took the pearl, left shells behind. Elders warned of a love so blind, like a serpent in the banyan tree. Stole my heart, gave a storm to me. You rode out, forced me to stay. A tragic myth on the island bay. Smiles and tears bring the rain, sailed away, leaving the pain. Hid within the palm tree shade, with soft winds I was betrayed. An ancient nightmare we made. Baby, why'd you hurt me so long? Hurt me so long. The elders say I did no wrong. Why'd you hurt me so long? Please let me know. Sorrow is the current you show. Was my love a heavy stone? You wish to sail the sea alone. Gave the ocean, paid the price. The village fool drowning in ice. Baby, why'd you hurt me so long? Hurt me so long. The elders say I did no wrong. Why'd you hurt me so long? Please let me know. Sorrow is the current you show. The fire dies, the legend ends. Oh. Ocean breeze, sun sets low. No more forced embrace, just let it go. A stubborn smirk, a crashing wave, holding on to love we couldn't save. How long to wait upon this shore? If love remained, you'd care much more. But my sorrow just feeds your pride. Time to wash it out with the tide. The tide rolls out, the shadows fall. A clean break now, no tears at all. No apologies spoken, no regrets to show. A decent goodbye, let the ego fall. If I dare to love, I dare to lose it all. Wide angle lens on this empty sand. Fooled by a vow, I release your hand. Finally, we learn to say goodbye. Yeah, stop. Step out clean, leave the footprint behind. No tears in the coral, got peace in my mind. You look back, hoping I'm caught in the undertow, but the island wind shifts, it's time that you know. I gave what I gave, no debts on the reef. Walking away, now I'm finding relief. No clinging, no begging, no lingering trace. Just the salt in the air, in the open space. The tide rolls out, the shadows fall. Ooh, a clean break now, no tears at all. No apologies spoken, no regrets to show. Decent goodbye, let the ego fall. If I dare to love, I dare to lose it all. Wide angle lens on this empty sand. Fooled by a vow, I release your hand. Finally, we learn to say goodbye. Let the ocean roll. Wash away. Yeah, the weather changes, a sudden storm, no apologies needed. We lost the warm, I break the illusion. I stand in the clear, no owing, no begging, no lingering here. Let the Pacific wind carry the pain. A decent goodbye, let the ego fall. If I dare to love, I dare to lose it all. Wide angle lens on this empty sand. Fooled by a vow, I release your hand. Finally, we learn to say goodbye. Finally, too late to turn back. The sun sinks low. Don't miss me, no looking behind. Just let it drift away on the tide. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye. Warm rain couldn't hold you tight. Coral reefs weep in the night. Your lally drum echoes the bay. Tailing palms, you sailed away. My carver can't numb this pain. Your song leaves me drunk in the rain. I'd cross the deep ocean swell, but you left no words, no farewell. Loloma, I wait by Fiji shore. They say you wait on. Yes, I was floored. Is it the golden sand there? Or sweet hibiscus in your hair? Shell horns blow, it's not you. No girl sings with the soul so true. Tides pull, the current is strong. Gave my heart, you took it along. Cut ties, you left no trace. Just goes in this paradise place. it's never your shadow, my dear. Loloma, I wait by Fiji shore. They say you wear them, yes, hours flow. Is it the golden sand there, or sweet hibiscus in your hair? The tide is low where our spirits go, where our spirits go. Been a while since you told me your favorite island folklore. I panicked, did I hurt thee? Like waves crashing the shore. You cried, say myths are a lie, no prince of the sea am I. But since you love me, my dear, the stars in my sky turn clear. I'll be your angel of the reef, wings of palms to bring relief. in the salty air. Heal the broken, make you smile. Bring the tailwind across the miles. Chasing dreams so we arrive. Flapping wings to stay alive. Carrying you from a distant past to a future built to last. Like a flock we unite, playing our quartet in the lights, singing our song into the blue.
Five long years across the endless sea, just a phone screen between you and me. I counted the days, I saved every dime, living on hope and Fiji time. Dreaming of Suva, the rain on the roof. My love for you was my only truth. I pictured you waiting, wearing your smile, just a little more time, just another mile. 30 days left till I boarded that flight. Had the ring in my pocket ready to make it right. I was gonna ask your father, do it respectfully. Bring the icona, build our family. But the lolly drum beats a different song today. I got the call that washed my whole world away. They say you were white, a salu, salu, so sweet. But another man was standing there at your feet. Your parents chose him, the papers assigned. 5 years of promises left far behind. I'm 1 month away from bending my knee, and my VT flower is lost to the sea. They say it's tradition, the families know best, an arranged union to put the elders at rest. But what about the nights we whispered our plans? Now you're wearing a ring from another man's hands. I stare at this ticket, the date circled in red, while the ghosts of our future are spinning in my head. The tango is empty, the kava tastes bitter. My heart has been shattered like glass in the river. 30 days left till I was supposed to be there. Now I'm drowning in silence, breathing cold air. I was gonna ask your father, I was coming back home. Now I'm stuck on this side of the ocean alone. Cause the lolly drum beats a different song today. I got the call that washed my whole world away. They say you were white, a salu, salu, so sweet. But another man was standing there at your feet. Your parents chose him, the papers assigned. 5 years of promises left far behind. I'm 1 month away from bending my knee, Most, my darling, my beautiful dream, swept away down a fast-moving stream. 1 month away, but a lifetime too late. I surrender my heart to the islands and fate. 5 years gone and just a month away. Most. Fiji winds. You read my mind in the Fiji sun. Words fail, but the magic's begun. I worry I won't meet your demands. Lost on these Pacific sands. Am I overthinking this view? Are you hiding from feelings new? If you choose me, I'll take the leap. My vision blurs the oceans deep. First time I said I love you, breathless under Pacific blue. First time I held your hand, lost in the warm Fiji sand. Our hearts align. First kiss, head spinning round, 24 hours off the ground. On my chest while palm trees sway, island rhythm washes fears away. Yeah. Forever starts today. Am I overthinking this view? Are you hiding from feelings new? If you choose me, I'll take the leap. My vision blurs the oceans deep. First time I said I love you, breathless under Pacific blue. First time I held your hand, lost in the warm Fiji sand. Our hearts align. You belong to me, no disguise. My forever is inside your eyes. First time I said I love you, breathless under Pacific blue. First time I held your hand, lost in the warm Fiji sand. Our hearts align. First time, first time, first time, Fiji love. Oh. Bula to the memories we lost, just the island breeze and the heavy heart. I often wonder if you'd stay till the end. I wouldn't hide my feelings, my friend. Oh, love was slow, one soul for life. Now modern love fades, cutting like a knife. We tiptoed around, hoping the other would turn. Now I just sit and watch the sunset burn. Maybe the Reggae blew a little too strong.
Tears in my eyes.
Where did we go wrong?
Maybe
I was too broken to hold you close. I came at the wrong time. I accept the rain. Not a single photo to remember the pain. You didn't walk with me when the storm broke through. I lacked the courage to build a shelter for you. Now I lost your name, my love of my life, a secret I buried deep in the night. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, look, look, who's standing by your side now? Too much betrayal, we broke the vow. Not even friends, just shadows in the sand. Missed the time and couldn't even grab your hand. I blame the heavy rain, but the fault is mine. Left my courage on the reef, we ran out of time. Yeah, maybe the Kagi blew a little too strong.
tears in my eyes.
Where did we go wrong?
Maybe
I was too broken to hold you close. I came at the wrong time. I accept the rain. Not a single photo to remember the pain. You didn't walk with me when the storm broke through. I lacked the courage to build a shelter for you. Now I lost your name, my love of my life, a secret I buried deep in the night. Deep in the night. I close my lips, lock the door. Can't speak your name here anymore. The tide rolls out, the tears flow free, a silent ocean between you and me.
I came at the wrong time. I accept the rain.
Not a single photo to remember the pain. You didn't walk with me when the storm broke through. I lacked the courage to build a shelter for you. Now I lost your name, my love of my life, a secret I buried deep in the night. Just a secret I keep. My love, let the water sleep. Deep in the night. Sometimes this world feels so small, yeah. Yeah. Like a tiny island, nowhere to fall. Hard to find a brother you can trust. Smiles hiding shadows in the dust. Feel like you never truly needed. Planting good vibes, but they stay unseeded. Nobody sees the storm in my yellow. Walking down this sandy road so hollow. Oh, I asked the moon up in the island sky. Easily, do you ever cry? Do you give your light without a single plea? Just to watch you wash into the deep blue sea. Let the night breeze stay, let the worries stay underneath the palm trees, cool and shade. Oh, shell of cover, let the past just drown all the love and pain. Wash it down, wash it down. Wash it down. Peace of mind is like a vanishing tide. Too much heavy lifting, nowhere to hide. Nobody asks about the lonely nights, fighting invisible battles and fights. But right and wrong, they slip through your head. Feasting till the shadows creep, driving till I fall asleep, reading tales yet seeing you, lost within this endless blue. Isa, grasping at the light, fading softly into night. Yours is yours and mine is mine, severed at the coral line. My spirit wearied of the endless sea, I chose the silence, letting all things be. I held the mast until my hands grew cold. It seems our almighty grew frail and old, an echo woven deep within my soul. Writing verses till my mind goes dark, loving blindly, missing every mark. Blind to the reach beneath this hollow boat, heaven knows how I still stay afloat. Isa, grasping at the light, fading softly into night. Yours is yours and mine is mine, severed at the coral line. My spirit wearied of the endless sea, I chose the silence, letting all things be. I held the mast until my hands grew cold. It seems our almighty grew frail and old, an echo woven deep within my soul. Drifting deep, drifting away, drifting away, drifting away, drifting away, drifting away. Bearing the heavy rising tide, nowhere in the sea to hide. Said I have wept my tears dry beneath the island sky. My spirit wearied of the endless sea, I chose the silence, letting all things be. I held the mast until my hands grew cold. It seems our almighty grew frail and old. Love is vanished, washing to the shore. A quiet truth, I do not love you more. Sweet farewell unto the shore, an echo woven deep within my soul. Just an echo in my soul, just an echo in my soul, just an echo in my soul. Fiji winds side by side, silver moons, the sands grew cold, holding on to myths we told. A sparkler lit beside the sea, faded fast for you and me. back on my wrist. Ripples of fear, man, what comes next? Young and foolish, feeling so vexed. Kept out the ring, scared of the sting. Fearful of waves that the tropics bring. Tropical rain washes yesterday, changing the theories, making a way. Dropped in a new phase, leaving the bay, smiling at the gray clouds today. Our past fades in the ocean tide. Heavy tears wash, nowhere to hide. Drop in a new phase, leave history behind. I feel so high. Oh, our spirit. Bula, bula, spirit. Bula, 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 spirit. Sunless sea, how far to see? Walking to the next, just me. Left a reef, won't drown in blue. I'll rise as the moon anew. Our past fades in the ocean tide. Heavy tears wash, nowhere to hide. Drop in a new phase, leave history behind. La 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 la. Fiji winds. La la la. La la la. La la la. Fiji winds. La la la. Broken promises and empty hope. I never thought I'd walk this road alone. The tears keep falling, no kuweni mata. But I am reaching for a higher yaka. The ring is gone, the chapter has to close. Where do I go from here? Only heaven knows. The storm is heavy, I can't fight the tide. To Raga, Lord, I need you by my side. Take these broken pieces of my heart. Show me how to make a brand new start. I surrender it all to you, Kalu, Vukeo. Help me, I don't know where to go. Guide my steps today and all my tomorrows. Wash away the pain, heal all my sorrows. Dusimaki out, guide me through the darkest night. Lead my spirit back into the light. They say that time will make the hurting fade, but I am standing in the mess I made. Yet in your loloma, I find my strength. I know you'd go for me to any land. No bubula, my life is in your gentle hands. Help me trust the way your grace commands. The storm is heavy, I can't fight the tide. To Raga, Lord, I need you by my side. Take these broken pieces of my heart. Show me how to make a brand new start. day and all my tomorrows. Wash away the pain, heal all my sorrows. Dusi Makiao, guide me through the darkest night. Lead my spirit back into the light. To Raga, I lay my burdens down. In your love, my future has been found. Vinaka, thank you for the strength to face today. I trust you, Lord, to always lead the way. Amen. Amen. Oh, amen.
The shadows grow long, the room is so cold, carrying a weight that makes me feel old. I look in the mirror, but no one is there, just an empty reflection, a silent despair. I'm walking this road with no one inside, searching for morning, but trapped in the night. Oh, Galili too, I am so lonely. Edredre na bula, life is hard. Tears fall in the silence, hidden in the dark. I'm drifting away, a lost little spark. Isa, no bukalo. Oh my God, please heal this heavy heart. Now I need my diet David. The tears flow, no hands to hold me, no comfort, no rest. Kagi kau kawa, strong wind blowing right through my chest. When the burden is heavy and the world fades away, Autagive Kimuni, I cry to you, teaching my soul how to pray. I've tried to be strong, I've tried to stand tall, but my spirit is breaking, I'm ready to fall. So I bow my knee to you in the silence of my room. Maybe I just need to pray a little harder through the gloom. Aukuva veikemuni, nongu turaga. I bow to you, my Lord. Meu masuva kau kaua. Oh Galili too, I am so lonely. Edredre na bula, life is hard. Tears fall in the silence, hidden in the dark. I'm drifting away, a lost little spark. Isa, no bukalo. Oh my God, please heal this heavy heart. Please heal this heavy heart. Maybe I should pray a little harder. Meu masuva kau kaua. I
slow. Faces fade like firelight glow. Regret the chances I let die, but stars still shine in the Fijian sky. Maybe now there's one small way to heal the wounds of yesterday. Oh fate, you teach, you take your man. Every broken road must end. I understand. We once saw young. Bula 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 bula. We once saw young. Bula 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 bula. We once saw young. Bula 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 bula. We once saw young. Bula Vinaka. Bula Vinaka. Bula Vinaka. Yo, Bula Vinaka. Yo, clock keeps ticking, no rewind in life. Lost my love, my dreams, my fight, but I stand tall with these scars inside. Ocean wash playing with the rising tide. Kai Vite, so hear the choir sing. Pain made peace, now I feel everything. Past is gone, but I still breathe. Love myself now, that's victory. We once saw young, but now we know. Letting go helps the spirit grow. Through the tears and all the pain,